Very good morning. This is recorded at about 11:30 on Tuesday morning, April 1st. I'm Justin Gibbs, the National Weather Service. We have a very active, potentially very dangerous weather pattern setting up as we've been talking about for several days. We have risk for tornadoes and severe weather tomorrow, and we have a very strong risk for flooding and significant and potentially historic rainfall over the next few days. Give a very brief overview of what we've got going on there. Confidence is high in a prolonged period of very heavy rainfall starting tomorrow afternoon through tomorrow night. This could lead to significant and potentially life-threatening flash flooding with high and potentially historic rainfall amounts over about a 4-day period, leading to flooding in areas that do not normally flood. We urge everybody to prepare for that as well as they can and continue to monitor for forecast updates. An overall summary: tomorrow afternoon, we have a start of a flash flood threat and tornado threat emerging across most of the Quad State region from 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. I'll talk a little bit more specifically about timing in just a moment. And then that threat persists most of the overnight. Thursday, we'll have some severe weather threat persist. We expect the front to move through to kind of clear that off a little bit. Flash flooding remains probable through the day on Thursday due to ongoing rain. Friday, the front sloshes back, severe weather threat increases again, and flash flooding will almost certainly be going on by this point because we expect that we'll receive 6 to 8 inches of rain in many areas. And then Saturday, the large upper level storm system pushes through, and the severe risk raises again, and probably have the highest impacts from flooding and flash flooding by this point. Here's a look at the model, one of our models. So here's the thunderstorm starting Wednesday, kind of clearing the region. We get a continued rain, a couple more storms on Friday. Here we go Thursday night, and then Friday we start to pick back up again, get another round of very heavy rainfall. Saturday we get another push from the main upper storm system in front, and then everything starts to clear out with a cold front, ending that threat on Sunday. Here's a look at lots of different models. All of them are telling us the same thing. And when every single model is telling us the same thing, that gives us a lot of confidence when it makes sense. And it does in this case. The driest of these models has about 6.5 inches of rain across most of the Quad State. So it's telling us pretty clearly. And here's a look at computer model guidance for 7 p.m. tomorrow across our area. Give you an idea of kind of where the thunderstorms will be at that point. And then here's our timing graphic: 1 to 4 p.m. starting tomorrow across parts of southeast Missouri and far southwest Illinois. 4 to 8 p.m. southern Illinois, most of western Kentucky. 6 to 10 p.m. across southwest Indiana and western Kentucky. And we are in a level 3 of 5. Could go up to level 4 depending. The storm mode's a little messy. We've been talking with the Storm Prediction Center about that. We'll see exactly what they decide here about 1 p.m. today. And then they can upgrade and change that as they need to tomorrow and through the day. We also will have a wind advisory in effect tomorrow for wind gusts 45 to 50 miles an hour. So we'll continue to update as we can. Everybody stay safe and continue to monitor for updates.